Did you know that the common clover in your meadow is a powerful natural healer? Both the flowers and stems of clover are used to create infusions and tinctures. They are excellent expectorants, helping to treat coughs, bronchitis, and even bronchial asthma. It also acts as a diaphoretic remedy during fevers and colds and helps reduce inflammation in the bladder and prostate. Here is how to prepare it. Pour 1 glass of boiling water over 1 tablespoon of dried herbs. Let it steep for 1 hour. Drink 1/4 of a glass 3 to 4 times a day, but it's not just for internal use. Externally, fresh leaves and flowers heal wounds and inflammation. White clover is even used in cosmetics. Baths and compresses make the skin smooth and velvety. From the red clover, nature even gives us sweet nectar, a true gift from the earth.